Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan Collett. Today I'm going to be doing a unstuffing video and also stuffing video with my expenses. So there's been a lot going on. The previous videos that you watched, those were pre-recorded, so now we're finally up to date with this video, and a lot has happened since then. So I was I was not patient, so my affirms were giving me a lot of anxiety lately, so I went ahead and just took the money from my emergency fund. I didn't take all of it, but I took some of it, and I paid off all of my affirms. So I don't have to worry about my affirms anymore. And so this is what we're going to do. We're going to do the unstuffing first, and then we're going to do the stuffing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go to my personal savings. Now, this was a really big decision that I had to make because I was like, well, I'm trying to get to 1,000 in my emergency fund, which is basically my personal savings. And, but I was like, at the same time, I have these affirm payments that are just driving me crazy. So I got rid of them. I spent $404 on my affirms. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now for my personal savings, I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. Which don't fret because I'm going to be stuffing $200 back in here. So give me 1 second. Let's go ahead and close this envelope. All right, so with my new setup, it's not like the table where I had a lot of room. It actually kind of filmed better on the table, but I like having a desk. I like not having to keep moving stuff off the table. For the unstuffing, we are going to unstuff today the Mini Cooper. That was 5, that's 15, that's 35, that's 100, so 135. And for credit cards, we are going to unstuff the $60 that is in there. So that's 60. And then for Affirm, this was actually the old payment. This one was 150, and that finally cleared. And now I'm going to put $404 in here. And then I'm actually just gonna, why did I do that? Okay, guys, so I paid it off, okay? I have it right here, paid full. So I'm just gonna take this money and just put it in the unstuffing money. And I'm so happy because I'm just gonna rip this thing out. You have no idea how good it feels to get this envelope out. Oh my gosh. Finally.
Yes!
Okay. For self, I'm going to take out the $40 that was in there. And this one is next. I am going to pay this off next. I have about $300 left to pay on that. So for food, we spent $189. And I actually had, no, sorry, 183. And I only had 159. So we actually went over in groceries. So yeah, I'm not even going to bother count that because it's 159. So, yeah, we got a lot of food last time. Actually, we didn't. We didn't even get that much food, and it was like really expensive. For fuel, I haven't got gas yet. I'm going to fill up probably tomorrow. For household, I didn't use anything for that, and we haven't gone to the pet store yet because we still have a good enough stocked up. So now we are going to start stuffing. I'm actually going to remove this so we don't get confused. Let me get my sort put because my hands are kind of dry. During this time of year, my hands are just so dry. And yesterday my throat was really dry. it felt like I couldn't get enough to drink. I really hate allergies. All right, so we're going to go ahead and count the money. We have 100, 200, 300. I'm going to use my calculator. 50 and 50, that's 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. Oops. So we have $550 to stuff. Now we're going to stuff my rent, which is $150. So minus 150, oops. Minus 150. For AT&T, we're going to do $25. So that's a 20 and a 5. For my Mini Cooper, it's going to be $135. So that's 120. That's 120. Plus a 10 is 130. And a 5, that's 135. For Progressive, we're going to stuff $70. So that'll be, I think I did a 50 and a 20 for this one. It's 50 and a 20. For credit cards, I'm going to put $60 in there. So it's going to be all the 20s. It should be all the 20s. 20, 40, 60. And we're not going to do self right now because that's not due until next month. For food, we are not going to touch that because we haven't. Oh, actually, yes, we are. We are depositing $100 into the food fund. I almost messed up. All right, and for fuel, I'm not going to put anything in there because I haven't got gas yet. And then for, I think for the pets, I'm going to put $10 in there. And now for pets, we have 5, that's 15, 20, 25, 30, 40. So we have $40 in the pet fund. All right, so that is it for the expenses. So now we're going to go into my personal savings. And I'm going to be putting $200 in there. And now we have a total of, so 100, 200, that's 220, 240, 250, 260, 265, 266, 267. So 267 in my personal savings, which the emergency tracker from Amanda's Budgets, I'm going to have to reprint it and just redo the coloring on that one. Because like I said, I paid off all my affirms, so now it's just kind of pointless to have it right now. But I'm going to reprint it and recolor it. And so yeah. Now, for the fish, in this video, I want you guys to go down into the description and click on the link for my community tab post, And I want you guys to vote on which name you want him to be. There's been so many people that have been suggesting names, and I want to give everyone a fair chance. So go ahead to the community tab, vote for your favorite name, and we can finally have a name for him. In my next video that you guys will see, I will be stuffing my saving challenges, and I will also be putting money in my travel fund. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.